Presenting the HP DeskJet 2135 All-in-One Ink Advantage Color Printer. This printer is ideal for regular home or small office use requiring 100 to 300 pages per month. Its compact design helps you save space on your desk. This printer uses advanced inkjet technology to produce high-quality prints. This all-in-one printer can perform print, scan, and copy functions. It can print in color and black and white. Connect to the printer using the USB cable. You get a printing speed of up to 7.5 pages per minute for black and white prints and 5.5 pages per minute for color prints. This printer also supports multiple paper sizes to help you with your various print requirements. You get printing costs of 1.4 rupees for black and white prints and 4.5 rupees for color prints. The compatible ink cartridge for this printer is HP 680 Tricolor and Black Ink Cartridge. 1 unit each of both these cartridges come free with this printer. This product comes with 1-year brand warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.